Welcome to my classroom. Come in.
Hey guys, so we are in my classroom and I am super excited to take a tour with you guys. For me, I started this classroom because my son started kindergarten fall 2021 and my daughter is starting kindergarten fall 2022. So I just knew that we needed a learning space so that my kids can be confident and successful in school. Although I knew we needed a learning space, I didn't know how to get started. So that's why I decided to share this video with you today. If you were anything like me and you just don't know where to get started, I hope that this video helps you in starting your in-home classroom. Let's go take a tour. With my daughter is we do a letter, a number, and a shape of the week. So that is what we put on this board. And right above the board are the letters that me and my daughter are working on. So that's what I got here. And I got this board from Target. And right down here is just my easel. I got this easel from IKEA. So here I just have this matching game that I found at the Dollar Tree. And then we have an ABC floor puzzle and some dot markers that we got from Target. Okay, this is our circle time wall. Right here we have our letters from A to Z. I got that from Target. And then we have our shapes and we have our numbers. It did come with more numbers and shapes. I got that from Target. So typically how the kids use the circle time wall is they'll grab their pointer, they'll come to the wall and they will point to wherever they are at and they will say whatever they see. So this is letter F. This is the shape heart. This is the number 2. That's how we use our pointer when we are at the circle time wall. Right here we have my board. I got the board from Target and I have the number magnets from Target as well. I also purchased the letter magnets from Target. And then we have today is Tuesday, the month, the day, the days of the week, the weather, the season, and our little friend that we change his clothes when the weather changes. I got that all from Target. So these are cool. It came with the magnet. However, the days, the season, and our little friend did not. So I just purchased these Velcro squares from Target and it made it pretty easy to change it. So that's cool. Then we have our colors that I got from Target as well. I found these hearts at the Dollar Tree. Thought they were cute, so I just wrote our numbers on there. And these 2 posters I got that from Amazon, as well as our bookshelf. I got that from Amazon. Just has our workbooks and reading books. So right here I have their desk that I got from Amazon. And on their desk are these name tags that I got from Walmart and their busy binders that I made. We will do another video next time about what's in their busy binder. And on the side of their desk, it's just their pencil box with pencils, crayons, markers, and glue. So on this wall, these are the letters that my son is studying in class. So I have this right here so he can just get another reminder of his letters, because in kindergarten, they need to know how to recognize their capital and lowercase letters, and they need to know the sounds. And on this wall, we just have our sight words. These are the sight words that my son is learning in class. So we practice them here at home as well, just so he can have another reminder of his sight words. Then here I just have this bucket with some extra supplies, some markers for the busy binder, those hearts. I have these cubes that we use for math, some more of those numbers that I was telling you I got the magnets. And yeah, just a bunch of goodies in here. So yeah, that's it. And this is just my desk, my printer, my laptop, my computer, and just my supplies. I also have my laminator and some printing paper down below. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed coming to class today because I enjoyed having you guys. Hopefully this video inspired you to start your in-home classroom. But if you're not trying to start an in-home classroom, you just needed help to get your child ready for kindergarten. Don't worry, I got you. Because I will be making plenty more preschool videos to prepare your kids for kindergarten. Help your girl out and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to press the subscribe button so we can get your child ready for kindergarten. And share it with a friend. They have to get their child ready for kindergarten too. As always, I cannot wait to see you guys back in class.